Hi everyone, and welcome back to Little Help. 6 years ago I showed you how to sign PDF using Edge or Adobe Reader. Now Chrome can finally do it too. First, make sure Chrome is up to date. Then open your PDF in Chrome. At the top, click the draw icon. Choose the pen, its color and the line size. Now, draw your signature using your mouse or touchpad. If it looks terrible, do not worry. Just blame the mouse. Not happy with your signature? Just click undo and try again. When you are finished, click the draw icon again. Then download the PDF and choose with your changes. Open the saved file and check that your signature is still there. And one important note. This is a handwritten signature. It's not a certificate-based digital signature. But for simple forms and everyday documents, it can be very useful. So yes, after 6 years, Chrome can finally do it. If this helped, please leave a like. Thanks for watching.